Hi guys. How are you? Yo, you guys are so uptight. Relax, it's really not that deep. Hi, my name is Luama Shongwe. I am currently a final year BA Law and Anthropology student. I am also the Vice Chairperson and Co-Head of Student Development at the Faculty House of Humanities. I'm sure you're wondering, law and anthropology sounds a little bit weird to you. I see you nodding your head. Yes, it sounds a little bit weird to you, but I think I'd like to talk to you more in depth about the importance of being a well-rounded person and how studying in the humanities affords you that opportunity. In the world that we're living in today, it's becoming more and more important for us to be people who know more than just our work. Because oftentimes people will study engineering and all they know is how to speak about angles and tell you if this bridge is going to be strong enough or what chemicals need to be mixed for such and such a thing. But when you're in a working environment and you're in a company, you're not working in isolation, you're not working by yourself. You need to have people skills and critical thinking skills, and those are the type of things that you learn when you study something in the humanities. Specifically for me, anthropology, I paired it with my law degree because it's uncharted territory, basically. And I'd like to be able to prove that the more you know people and their cultures and their customs and their systems, the better you can then administer the law and create laws that work for a community. Because you can make the law, but people need to follow the law, people need to understand and know the laws, and what's the point of you administering laws that nobody understands and that don't come from a sense of the community that you'd like to administer them in. Anthropology is very similar to sociology, so if you could pair those two together, it would be awesome. It's not easy. A lot of people will come to you and tell you, oh, you're a BA law student or you're just a general BA student. Oh, it's so nice, you have it so easy. It's really not. The core of the social sciences, and especially core social sciences like anthropology, is critical thinking. You're going to have to work on your writing and thinking skills a lot because we have a lot of essays and we need to meet word count on a regular basis. And you need to go beyond what other people have thought and what other people have said. Contribute to the discipline, and you can find yourself being one of the top people there. I mean, you don't need to be an actor or an actress to be famous, just saying. You could be a writer, you could be a journal author. There's a lot of different opportunities. Personally, for me, I'm doing the BA law, so obviously I'm studying my anthropology now, and then I can choose to either do a double honors, which will be an honors in LLB law and then an honors in anthropology, or just pick a side, probably the humanities side. Because yes, humanities. In terms of my work with the Faculty House, the University of Pretoria for me is very special in the sense that from your first year grassroots level, it allows you opportunities to grow and hone your leadership skills. So for me, in first year, my first opportunity to become a student leader was being elected class representative. It's very scary. You go to your first lecture at university, you're fresh, you don't know anyone, nobody knows you, your lecturer doesn't care to know your name, and you get there and you speak on why you would like to be elected class representative. And for me, that's where my journey began. I was class representative in 2013. 2014, I decided to start a society with a friend of mine, because you can do things like that here. You can do a lot more than just study at the University of Pretoria. And then at the end of 2014, I ran to be an executive committee member of the Faculty House of Humanities, and I applied for something else. I can't remember what I applied for, and they decided to give me vice chairperson, which was an incredible honor. That means people see potential in you, and if people see potential in you, then there's something there that you can work on and that you can harness to create something even bigger and better. So I hope I've encouraged you guys a little bit to consider the humanities. It's going to be fun. I'm just saying. Thank you.